Hey everyone! I'm so excited to be here with you. My name is Blanca Catalina Garcia. I am the founder of a company called BCG Connects, and I've been an educator and building educational programs and community initiatives, innovative education in multicultural communities. And right now I focus on entrepreneurs and I work with entrepreneurs. I am here for our book club. We are reading Leapfrog, the New Revolution for Women Entrepreneurs, and we're in the first set of hacks. And I hope you can hear me because I am on holiday in Florida, and it is noisy and tropical here, so be jealous. Just kidding. Anyways, so today we are looking at hack 8. Love this hack, definitely resonates with me personally. I am a person in the entrepreneurship and business space, and I work actually specifically with founders who are building scalable companies, innovative companies, companies that are tech enabled or tech product companies. And guess what? I don't have an MBA, and I definitely do not have a good degree in technology. I have hacked my business school, and so I'm a big proponent of this. I believe that in creative and entrepreneurial ventures, especially for those of us who like women and people of color, although education and degrees is one of the oldest hacks, and she talks about this in the chapter, one of the oldest hacks you can probably find to sort of break into the right social circles and get that social capital that is so essential. It is also a very expensive and difficult thing to do when, like many of you might relate to this, you are also supporting your family through your work, and you don't necessarily fit. And this is what this hack is all about. It is really about inviting you. I'm just going to read one of the things that she writes here that I just love. An entrepreneur's educational journey is completely bespoke, custom tailored, and powered by ingenuity and audacity. I love that because as an entrepreneur, as a creator of your own story, you are being invited to use your creative power, your creative muscle, your boldness to mark your path. So one of the things that it talks about is just how some of these degrees, they're cookie cutter. And if you're already in this space and you're figuring out how to build your business, it might not be worth it to you to go and spend a whole bunch of money on a curriculum that may or may not fit what you need to learn in order to do what you're trying to do. And I think that it's really important to think about that because sometimes like an MBA can be it can be awesome, but it can also be a tremendous investment that maybe that's not what you need. And I'm asking you to think about what it is that you need. So doing it your own way, she suggests here to kind of take inventory. What is it that you want to learn? And it's got to be specific to you, not just like what you specifically need to learn, but what kind of business are you trying to build? And so one of the examples that she talks about is this entrepreneur, Tanya Menendez, who actually went and became a grocery store worker so that she could innovate for the grocery store labor force. And I think this is really smart. You know, in this chapter, it talks about figuring out short-term apprenticeships, and I think that's so powerful. I don't know about you, but I am utilizing my network all the time. I work with a lot of people who mentor entrepreneurs, and a lot of those people are my mentors, and a lot of them are people who just have really specific expertise. And I try to immerse myself in the space that I am trying to serve. So if I'm working with entrepreneurs, most of my work life is around new and emerging entrepreneurs all the time, and people who are working with them and people who are providing services for them in these little specific lanes so that I understand deeply where I fit, but how it all works. What are the actual challenges that my customers have? So I think this is what it invites us to do, is just to think about like how can you custom create your education to build your business and to build your entrepreneurial journey. And one of the story of Tanya Menendez, she offers a couple of things. One is to think about intentionality. So if you are going to go and get a degree, being really specific about the courses you take, the clubs that you join, the professors that you're with, and being super intentional about how you're building that up. And if you're not going out to get a degree, that you're putting together these quote unquote short-term apprenticeships where you can learn from the specific people that know about the fields and the spaces that you're trying to get into. The other thing she offers is curiosity, and that is that you're constantly asking questions. I love the idea that Tanya Menendez, she just talks about putting her ego aside. So what if I have a college degree and I go work in a grocery store and that means I have to mop? It is a worthy endeavor so that I understand how my customer lives and how my business and my technology is going to fit into this. So it's a bold ask, but we're bold women, so we can definitely adopt this awesome hack. It's been great for me. I've used this tactic and this mindset a lot, so I can't wait to hear your perspectives, and I would love to hear how you hacked your entrepreneurial education. All right, talk to you soon.